The DPRK says it has begun reprocessing spent fuel in the pilot atomic power plant. The DPRK's foreign ministry made this announcement hours after the UN imposed new sanctions on the country for its recent rocket launch. Li Qiong has more.
The DPRK official said on Saturday that the country has restarted its nuclear facilities to harvest weapons-grade plutonium. The DPRK says the reprocessing will help bolster nuclear deterrence for self-defense to cope with increase in military threats from hostile forces. Earlier in the day, the UN Sanctions Committee announced it was targeting 3 major DPRK companies for new sanctions, alleging they had links to the country's military activities. The UN Security Council's recent presidential statement had called for an adjustment of sanctions against the DPRK after its April 5th rocket launch.
Sanction Committee of North Korea has made a very important decision. Japan, as a key country for interested in this issue, is very pleased that Sanction Committee made extraordinary effort.
The DPRK said the sanctions violate the UN Charter and that the country has a right to launch satellites.
It is inalienable rights of every nation and country to make peaceful use of outer space. That's why we totally reject and do not recognize any sorts of decision which has been made or would be made in the Security Council.
The announcement of the sanctions are likely to draw further protests from the DPRK. Last week, it expelled international nuclear monitors, vowed to restart its nuclear program and quit the six-party talks. Li Qiong, CCTV.